Hey there, my name is Dr. Aaron Haynes. I'm a professor of biology at Millersville University. My goal for this channel is to help you become a self-regulated learner. As the speed of technology and content of information keeps increasing, to keep up and excel at what you do, you need to be a lifelong learner. However, have you ever felt overwhelmed trying to balance schoolwork and everything else life throws at you? Well, here's a secret. The key to success isn't just what you learn in the classroom. It's how you manage your time and learn on your own. Most of your learning happens outside of the classroom, not inside it. In fact, people who better manage their time and focus on building new skills are generally more successful and less stressed. Men on average do a poor job of this. The ability to learn on your own and take control of your schedule is known as self-regulated learning, and it's a game changer. Research shows that better self-regulation and management results in improved academic achievements. Now, one of the biggest enemies of self-regulation and time management is heavy screen use, including social media. Can screen use be productive? Yes, or you would not be here watching this video. But heavy screen use can seriously hurt your health, productivity, and success. Studies show that individuals who spend too much time on screens are less productive, less engaged, and less likely to reach their full academic potential. That's why my videos are here for you. I want to help you become a better version of yourself through lifelong learning and self-regulated learning. The better you manage your time and focus on your skills and growing those skills, the better your life will become. This is true for everyone, especially young men who are academically struggling. All information and figures that I share with you come from peer-reviewed literature of actual scientists doing research in the field. And it helps guide us towards effective learning practices. And my images are simply from Collective Commons. So why do I share this information? Well, when you become a better you, it helps create a better world, which benefits all of us.